In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access WordPress dashboard from Hostinger 2025. Open WordPress dashboard in Hostinger. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your WordPress dashboard from your Hostinger account, and I'll also show you where to update your WordPress password from inside the dashboard. First, sign in to your Hostinger control panel. On the Hostinger login page, enter your account username and password, then click Log In. This takes you to Hostinger's main panel, sometimes called H panel or the Edge panel. Give it a moment to load fully so all the options appear. At the top, click on Websites. This page lists every site you've set up on your Hostinger account. Find the website you want to manage. Under that website, you'll see a Manage button. Click Manage to open the site's settings area. Here, Hostinger centralizes tools related to your website, including quick access to WordPress. Next to your website entry, look for the Edit button and click it. This button is your shortcut into WordPress. After a brief redirect, you'll land right inside your WordPress dashboard. If you're managing multiple sites, double-check the site name in the top bar of WordPress to confirm you're in the correct dashboard. Now that you're in the WordPress dashboard, you can control everything about your site, from themes and plugins to posts, pages, and settings. If you've forgotten your WordPress password or simply want to change it, you can do that right here. On the left-hand menu, go to Users, then click All Users. Find your user account and click Edit. This opens your profile details. Scroll all the way to the bottom until you see the password section. Click the Set New Password button. WordPress can generate a strong password for you automatically, or you can type your own. Make sure it's unique and secure. When you're ready, click Update Profile to save the change. That's it. Your WordPress password has been updated successfully, and you can use it the next time you log in directly to WordPress. To recap, you log in to Hostinger, go to Websites, click Manage under your domain, and then use the Edit button to open the WordPress dashboard. From there, you can manage your entire site and update your password under Users, All Users, Edit, then set new password and update profile. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides.